Hi, blessings. Blessings and blessings. Blessings and blessings. My name is Terry. I wanted to tell you about something absolutely amazing about the Bible. It's like the illustrated Good News Bible with coloured illustrations instead of normal illustrated Good News Bible. It's an extra special thing about the Bible. The Bible has the Old Testament, Psalms, which is books of prayers, amazing prayers. Like the traps are trying to trap us in, let them get trapped in themselves. Basically, first that they fall themselves, 100 billion trillion times positive and negative, and 100 billion trillion times positive. I ate positive for me, Terry Purple, and everyone else who sings in our body, Marcy, sentient, and enlightened, including truth, justice, kindness, love, and always respect, rich amount of money, including person, and happening about. Okay. There's also the Book of Wisdom, which is called Proverbs, and there's Gospels, and there's the New Testament, which is early Gospels from the New Testament, and there's the Book of Revelations. Yes. Thank you, Velvet. How do I do? Just in time. Lessons. So, in the Book of Revelations, there's little chapters within the book, in the Bible. So, if you're really interested in any of the chapters, you might call them chapters or books of the Bible, within the book of the Bible, within the chapters of the Bible, you can either do it, you ask me, Terry, by thinking down to your heart, Terry, please help me with this. And Terry's doing the same, to do the